Hello students, today we discuss the new chapter of history, emergence of regional culture. Regional culture and emergence. India has a very long history of other culture, other language. In this chapter we discuss about the development of regional religious culture and regional language. Distinctive culture of Rajputana. A very significant development of the medieval period was the development of Urdu. A new language, Urdu, developed in a military camp which was a mixture of Arabic and Persian. मेडिवियल पीरियड का ये बहुत बड़ा देन है कि इस समय में उर्दू का इजाद हुआ है और इसका इस्तेमाल जो था वो मिलिट्री कैंप में होता था और ये मिक्सचर था किसका, अरेबिक एंड पर्शियन का. इन रीजनल किंगडम रीजनल लैंग्वेज वे आर यूज्ड फॉर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मलयालम language is an example of this type of regional language. Development of language, growth of Malayalam. Chera dynasty established its kingdom in the region of the present day Kerala. The rulers introduced local language Malayalam of their official records and inscription. At the same time, Cheras continued to be influenced and inspired by Sanskrit. So the literacy work in Malayalam borrowed ideas from Sanskrit literature. Moreover, in the plays enacted in the temple, stories were borrowed from Sanskrit epics. Sanskrit tradition and the regional language during the period that is evident by the exchange and adaptation of ideas thought among the languages and the various work done at this time. Growth of Hindi in the emerged in between 7th to 10th century. Medieval Hindi was in the form of Brij Bhasha, a dialect spoken in and around the Mathura region. During the time of Akbar, Hindi poets of the age were Goswami Tulsidas, the writer of Ramcharitramanas, and Surdas, who composed Sursagar. साधु या जो संत हुए या जो राइटर हुए, उन्होंने भी जो उस समय के भाषा था उनमें काफ़ी डेवलपमेंट का काम किया. ग्रोथ ऑफ मराठी. Bahmani rulers patronized Marathi as the administrative language in their kingdom. The Bhakti saint enriched the Marathi language by the composing of Bhakti poems and songs in the Marathi. Bhakti saint like Tukaram, Janeshwar, Namdev, Eknath composed beautiful song and poem in Marathi. Growth of Punjabi. The Sikh Guru enriched the language by their writing. It also developed the medieval period. The script of the Punjabi language is Gurumukhi and many Muslim writers also write in Punjabi. The writing of Muslim writers in Punjabi were known as Khissa. The most famous Khissa, Heer Ranjha, written by Waris Khan, is still famous worldwide. Growth of Telugu. The ruler of the powerful Vijayanagar kingdom, Krishnadeva Rai, contributed greatly to the growth of Telugu as a language. He himself was the great poet. He wrote Amuk Maryada, which was the greatest poetic work of the time. Amukta Maryada, he described the duties of the king and This shows how the rulers of the different region took pride in the local language and culture. Religious culture, the Jagannath cult. उड़ीसा अभी भी इस समय में इन प्रेजेंट टाइम इज ऑल्सो फेमस. Worship of Lord Jagannath, a name of Vishnu, at Puri in Odisha is a good example of the rise of the local religious culture in 12th century. The ruler of Ganga dynasty, ruler Odisha, named Raja Anantavarma, decided the set up the temple at Puri, worship of Lord Jagannath. And now the Rajputs of Rajputana. All over the Rajasthan, the different Rajput clans had political control. The main tradition developed by the Rajput were those of the heroism, valor and sacrifice. उनकी वीरता का, उनके बलिदान का ये काफ़ी बड़ा दी फोक लोर Sahitya stories and a song of Rajasthan describe their heroic sacrifice to the battlefield while fighting the enemy bravely till the end were recited by the bards who travelled from village to village singing their tales of military glory and loyalty of the clan and the land. Women too were portrayed as the heroic figure who were always ready to immolate themselves in a funeral fair अंतिम संस्कार मतलब चिता में by their husbands by the jumping into the scared fire pit to protect their honor from the image in the face of defeat by the men. This practice was called Jauhar, which was depicted by the वैलियंट स्पिरिट एंड सुप्रीम डेडिकेशन ऑफ द राजपूत वुमेन. मतलब चिता में जो है वो अंतिम संस्कार में कूद पड़ना, ये जो है वो राजपूत वुमेन के एक बहुत बड़ा ऐतिहासिक योगदान को दिखाया जाता है. और अपने आप का जो है वो खुद का रक्षा करना किससे, तो एनिमी से, ये इसमें देखने को मिलता है हमें. और दिस लीजेंड्स एंड स्टोरीज ऑफ राजपूत हीरोइज्म फॉर्म by the distinctive culture of Rajasthan, now flourished danced form. In next video we discuss about that. Okay, thank you.